Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan, salam Bagana. Dear friends, welcome back to English Edition Sharing at Bagana Studio Menara 165 South Jakarta with me Ipung. This time we are going to share the tips of being prepared for an earthquake disaster mitigation. There are 3 basic steps, namely pre-disaster, during disaster, and post-disaster. Mitigation is an effort that has a number of objectives, namely to recognize risks, awareness of disaster risks, countermeasure planning, and so on. It can be said disaster mitigation is all effort, starting from prevention before a disaster occurs to handling after a disaster occurs. Earthquake is an event of shaking the earth, caused by collision between the earth's plates, fault activity or fracture, volcanic activity, or rock collapse. The following mitigation steps must be carried out before, during, and after the earthquake disaster. Time of pre-disaster. First, make a plan for self-rescue if an earthquake occurs. Second, doing exercises that can be useful in dealing with ruins during an earthquake, such as bending down, protecting the head, holding on, or hiding under the table. Third, preparing fire extinguishers, standard active safety equipment, and medicine supplies. Fourth, building a house construction resistant to earthquake shocks with a strong foundation. During disaster, first, take shelter under the table to avoid objects that may fall and glass windows. Second, keep your head protected and go to the open field immediately. Third, avoid using elevators and escalators, and we must use emergency stairs. Fourth, do not stand near poles, trees, power sources, and buildings that may collapse. Fifth, recognize the part of the building that has a strong structure, such as the corner of the building. At the post-disaster time, first, stay alert to aftershocks. Second, check the presence of fire and the potential occurrence of the fire disaster. Third, stand in an open place away from buildings and electricity and water installations. Fourth, if outside the building with the cliffs around, avoid areas that are prone to landslides. After an earthquake occurs, make sure the following steps. First, affected buildings are safe to access or inhabit. Second, if you want to set up a family tent around the house, avoid the potential of being hit by buildings. Third, make sure the information is coming from an official sources such as BNPB, BMKG, or BPBD. Fourth, do not provoke by hoax issues or pass it on to others. Well, those are earthquake disaster mitigation tips. Hopefully, it will be useful for Bagana friends wherever you are. Have a wonderful fasting month. Who's doing it? Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan, salam Bagana.